My name is Cable Shima. I'm the product manager for Simcenter Madimo. Madimo is a worldwide standard software for simulating occupant safety and pedestrian safety systems. The specifications for occupant and pedestrian safety systems are drawn up in a vision that is known as Vision Zero. It's created by the World Health Organization and the safety organizations around the world with a view that it would be unethical to exchange human life in exchange for core benefits such as transport. So therefore the reduction of road traffic accidents is their core aim. And today we are visiting EDAC, which enables their customers using Simcenter Madimo to certify pedestrian safety systems and occupant safety systems.
My name is Stefan Hundertmark and I'm working for the EDAC Group. The EDAC Group is an independent engineering supplier for customers all over the world. I'm responsible for pedestrian protection in the department of CRE and safety. So we are responsible for simulation. If you look on the pedestrian, you can segment it in head, the body and the legs. And our topic today is about the head. When the head hits the hood, there's always the risk for high injuries caused by stiff parts directly underneath the hood, which caused injuries for the pedestrian. And for that, there's a system in the car which is called active hood. That means once the car hits the pedestrian, it notices it is a pedestrian and afterwards it will push up the hood just in milliseconds of time. That ensures a good deformation space for the head and leads to less injuries for the pedestrian. For the certification of those active hoods, there is a need for simulation with full body models just to ensure the functionality of the active hood. In the current development process, the focus is really on physical testing. But as we see it already in pedestrian protection, there's a transformation ongoing from physical testing into the virtual world. And the reliance on human body models in the virtual world becomes greater because they show the truth of the real world. And that all leads to the fact that we can reduce the costs in the development process and bring the products faster to market. Madimo meets the very strict requirements of the protocols. It was easy to handle the dummy with the Siemens software. The position and all the angles from the different parts are really strict regulated, and it's easy to handle and modify the dummy with the Siemens software. Madimo is a good balance between details and timing, which leads to the fact that you can do simulations faster. And with those boundary conditions, we can meet the strict timing we got from the customer. And the customer can bring his active hood faster to the market. The outcome of the project was very good because the customer was satisfied. With our simulation, we ensured the functionality of the active hood. First, we had some challenges with the new software, as always when using new software. But together with the team of Siemens and their good support, we come to a good conclusion, which leads to new projects with the same customer, but as well the opportunity to use this process with other customers. Vision Zero is part of our daily work. What we do is we develop the products of our customers to meet the requirements which currently exist. But additionally, EDAC will always have a view behind the current existing protocols and requirements and think about how to improve the products of our customers to meet even future requirements. It's all about the ultimate mission to have zero deaths on the road.